Today, I have a sub $50 pair of headphones with a simple features which allows it to compete with even the highest end models in the market. I'm talking about the Nubwo HG03, the ones right here. And those are a very monodimensional pair of headphones. They are intended for one and only type of customer, but if you are in that category, I think they are definitely worth buying, and they're perfect to pair with a budget gaming PC which allows you to play at 1080p high refresh rate competitively. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, welcome back at I'm Watching PSUs. And the full disclaimer, okay, I have worked with Nubwo in the past and they are sponsoring this video, but all opinions are my own. And as you guys know, if you've been following the channel for a while, it is not uncommon for me to actually really get disliked by brands because I say it how it is. However, this time, this is a very positive review because this is a very good product because the price is right. This is a product which is missing a lot of things. However, it's doing so to keep the price low and to cater to a specific need. And that need is competitive gaming and getting the edge in FPS titles. Now, this is a wired only with a USB interface pair of headphones with protein leather on the sides, which feels very lightweight and has a 7.1 surround system. And that's the key point in today's video. That and the actual interface. So since it's USB, you can actually pair it even with the cheapest integrated audio in your motherboard. It's not going to matter how bad your motherboard is, and this is going to be good. That's the first thing which makes this pair of headphones good. As you know, I am a PC builder. I build a lot of cheap gaming computers, but if you go cheap on your motherboard, very often the audio is not going to be the best. That's going to reflect to your gaming performance. By having a USB interface, this basically uses an external audio card pretty much from a logic point of view, and that problem is solved. The cable is nice, long and braided, and the cable has this little controller over here. Now, this is what makes this unique. Basically, you can control the volume, the mic, sure, and mute the mic as usual, okay? But we also have a strange button with FPS written on it in the center. What this is this applies a preset to the equalizer of the headphones and allows you to make the quality of the sound significantly worse. However, it will boost the frequencies which corresponds to the footsteps and to the people around you. It's gonna sound a little bit more metallic. It's not gonna be pleasant, but it's gonna be very, very effective for understanding if the enemy is to your right, to the left, up or down. That's something which, for example, on the headphones I daily drive, the Astro A50, you do via the equalization preset. I had to spend a lot of time tuning my preset to have it perfect for Call of Duty, and you can do it thanks to the bass because the bass acts as basically a mix amp. This is all integrated into here, and the preset they calibrated out of the box is very good. So if you're looking for a cheap pair of headphones to put together and to actually play competitively and not really be at a disadvantage compared to someone who has a $200 pair of headphones, you just buy this, press the button, max out the volume, endure the low quality of the sound a little, but you're gonna understand perfectly where everyone is. The other thing which makes this very good for gaming is the mic. So the mic, you can move it around how you please. It has this little thing which you can take off, even though it's not detachable. It has an anti-pop filter, and even though it's gonna sound very game chat-like, it's actually very good and clear. It also has a pretty good isolation from the people around you, so even if you play in a noisy environment, or even if you have a fan pointed at you because maybe it's summer, this is going to be perfect. Now, moving forward to the actual build quality and what you find in the box. In the box, you basically just find the headphones, a little instruction manual, and it has the cable, so it takes you 2 minutes to unbox. And the headphones themselves don't really have a lot of features going on, okay? They have a very soft cushion at the top, which I think is crucial because your hair doesn't get stuck in this, whereas it does in a lot of other more complicated designs. Again, full leather here. Those are very good at isolating you from the environment around you. You can just feel it when you put it on. You just feel silent. And very important, they can actually get adjusted quite a lot. So I have a pretty big head, as you guys can probably see, and those fit perfectly. If I max them out, they're actually a little bit too big for me, which is perfect. It means they're gonna work for everyone. Another very important thing is those are very lightweight. Now, I have a trained neck. I do Muay Thai, but when I'm gaming, I don't want to feel like I'm training. And if you put wireless headphones, especially cheap wireless headphones, the problem with those is they're usually very heavy and you get tired a little bit. And even if you don't really notice it, they make you sweat a little bit more in the summer. Those being so light and actually having a kind of technology which allows it to filter through. Like, we are isolated, but there's still air going in and out, basically. They don't act as like a vapor chamber cooking your ears up. These are actually very cool. I live in Italy, so the climate is relatively warm, and so I really appreciate something like this. Now, as you can see, they also regulate pretty well on the side to adapt to the type of head. So the comfort on these is amazing. I also think personally, even though I don't really care about how my headphones look, but these, I think they look a lot cooler than some plain black round headphones over there. They have a little bit of design to them, which is not bad. Maybe if you're streaming, but to be completely fair, if you're streaming, this microphone is no good. This is good for game chat. It's loud and clear. It's isolated, but it's not a quality microphone. It's not something your viewers would like to listen to for a while. So if you're streaming, you're better off getting a different mic in front of you. Now, overall, if you're looking to watch some videos, those are going to be fine. They have the surround, which also works with movies if you're watching something with surround. However, again, the audio quality, you definitely want to turn off the FPS booster if you're watching, for example, YouTube. It's not going to be like some audiophile headphones, even at the same price. If you're only looking after quality of music, for example, you can buy something with no microphone, not gamerish, and maybe with less surround, without the FPS feature. This is going to be a lot better for listening to music, watching movies, but those for just regular putting the music on in the background while you game, watching a few YouTube videos like mine where the audio quality is nothing crazy, those are going to be perfect for day-to-day usage. So they work as day-to-day headphones, but they are intended for FPS gaming, and you should only be buying these if you're after FPS competitive shooting gaming. So with that said, they are fully recommended from me. Of course, as usual on this channel, we like the negative stuff as well. So if you had a pair of these or a pair of Nubwo headphones and they were bad to you, drop a comment down below so everyone can see it and we can maybe think twice about this review. But so far, it's only a good experience and I am fully recommending them. Thanks to Nubwo for sending them over, and thanks to you guys for watching this far. Drop a like and subscribe if you want so I can keep making more videos like those. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.